Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning, and we just had Basyang yesterday. There's still cloudy skies, but Basyang has now, I think, been downgraded to a low pressure area, so no more storm signals. But it brought rains also in many parts of Cebu, and also especially down south as well. That where it made landfall. So naglandfall siya, but it was really when it comes to winds, wala siya, but there were a lot of rain. And I guess there are places like Surigao and Iligan that got flooded as well. I don't know yet the updates, the southern portion of Cebu, but the critical areas are probably Argao and that area. And we're hoping that minimal damage lang, but the sun is already back up, and it's a bright Saturday morning here in Cebu. Time is around 8:26 a.m. and we're on our way to the city, diba? And yung SMC side, and there's a new attraction niya pohon. Kaning fun park, di din tubig tingay ko it's like mura na kang ipaligid, but there's a slide, there's it's soon we will find out sa mga lingaw and this one is the Radisson Park Inn and the SMC SMX Arena over there. So the nice thing about I think we have a lot of new developments here. The 2026 tagang mahuman ba in Cebu, and lahi na now in the next year na to, lahi na now. I mean, lahi na sa now sa traffic. But yes, we're progressing well. But wala na. Bantay lang kaya po tas mga bagyo, uwan, o baha. So, i-upgrade kaya po na to. I mean, we can always, new buildings are nice, but also what's under it must be developed. Kaya mga drainage systems na to, flood control. I mean, real flood control. Dili ka nang sa gobyerno lang. But sometimes, the government, I don't know, the GPSs lang has government will just make projects just for the sake of making projects, and sometimes say dili na, I think not well thought of. So I think na mga lugar na dapat i-prioritize ang mga flood control projects, and they have to choose properly kung sa type of project can solve, can mitigate or can prevent massive flooding, especially during typhoon season, which is far pa, mga kuan pa daw, let's say we still have 5 months, 4 months, 5 months, but sometimes this year, for example, sa UK nagbagyo, we have bagyo na February na duha. So diba, so normally we have one, di na mahuman ng alphabet, pati takaabot na niabot og letter Z ang bagyo, pero hapit din itong Yolanda. Di ba, magbihira din itong Yolanda, or why naman dito. But anyway, the sun is up, and I hope you all were had a safe and peaceful sleep, safe night. And of course, prayers lang daan sa mga naapektuhan itong bagyo, kay nagyo ito yung naapektuhan na ito. That's so hard now so happen now that when typhoons come, it will there are always gonna be places na marag mabahaan. Malang na challenge na to karong panahon na. Sometimes gamay lang na uwan, or isolated rains could bring floods in some areas. So let's go on na hope and pray also na gamay lang na damage, and also hopefully mga atong government leaders will think about, and even the private sectors will think about makarecommend man sila project sa gobyerno. they will make, necessary. Sometimes we need to consult the public as well on what projects should be done. So sometimes karon mahibong naman ta, some people create projects. I don't know where they get those ideas. Maybe they have their own advisors, pero di ba dapat before gali na makuan matagaag budget kay bawo na ta unsa or mangayo ta, di ba? Ani congressman na to, di ba? Dapat kay bawo lang unsa ilang pangayoon. I'm not really against kuan baka usay na may mga projects yun sa remote areas, but normally ma'am guni those are the projects people normally steal from us. Because let's say you create a road or a dike somewhere really far where nobody's living there, di ba? It's really too tempting for corruption or di ma-inspect, di ba? There's always gonna be an excuse na layo kayo na to i-inspect, but dapat dili na pwede nang hingana na ito ka ng project sa layo mo ni dapat i-inspect. Kaya kaning na-address tungod na to or magdino kay kinanglan i-inspect, because people can see it, people will see it, and people will know if it's gonna be effective. Di ba? But yeah, so let's just wish we can really see changes. So a lot of changes in Cebu, naging developments, but we're more also concerned sa kanang the support, the infrastructure support, the government support, because people private citizens or even the richest companies can't build roads. I mean, they're not allowed to say himog highway na kung gusto lang without government approval or technically mo na DPWH gini mga roads and infrastructures, and that's how important DPWH is when it comes to developing this country or making this country great or better. Diba? We should put on, I think, the kind of bright people, we should put a lot of bright people in DPWH. Appeal na sa mga coordination and NEDA and because we always say we lag behind our neighbors. Dakan kami yun, nindot na kay Vietnam, nindot kay Landan, China, so nice. So, a lot of Filipinos are so appreciative of other countries. And come to think of it, di ba, na di ba din na to kaya? Di ba? And I'm pretty sure we could, though. I mean, not as grabe sa scale sa China, but if we really want to build better roads, better highways, high quality roads that will not easily be high quality roads is not easily be kinahanglan i-repair na sad every year, because naman this Pilipinas sige lang ayo sa daan instead of really creating something that's built for years or decades to come, di ba? Ano man ang uban, there are roads na nagkuan pa man, survive longer, di ba? Or how come our repair sometimes takes so long that sometimes it's like sabotaging our economy, di ba? Maragingana man na importante man din na nadalan, and why are we not, di ba? We're not fixing it fast, di ba? Why are we fixing it often? Di ba? Moray ko na ba na? Ingana ka importante yung mga dalan. Ingana ka importante itong infrastructure. Di ba? When it comes to tourism, gapon, in the end, balik ka po na sa mga daan. The comfort, the service. So, di ba? Dali ba na? Dali ba? Kanang tourism uses roads. Trade. Commerce. Di ba? Even people working are affected kung ang road sarado. So we have to make sure that itong DPWH will be like the best, one of the best agencies of government. Kasi nga ka-importante na, pero karon they're one of the best agencies of government manoon for corruption. So please, hopefully kung nagtrabaho mo sa DPWH, we need you, the country needs you. Thank you so much for watching, and survive sa usa ka bagyo, but let's hope and pray lang for better weather, but also less damage sa mga typhoons, and also more infrastructures na to prepare us or to help us, diba? Thank you so much for watching. Pray for our country. Bye.